You guys are welcome, and this is the next thing we need to do. If you've actually arrived on this page, you're welcome. And the first thing that we all need to do today is to go over to settings and move over to your brand. Over here, you can edit all of this information. You have to put in your business phone number, your business email, and every other information down here. Then this is the normal functional time your business works, like a salon. If you have multiple workers, just leave and customize the time your office opens and the time your office closes. So this is what you need to do here for your time. And also you have to update the time zone of anywhere you are, but it will automatically be set up for you depending on the location you are, and fill in these informations on when your business starts at the time it closes. So and hit save. So that has been updated.